Hey riders, welcome back to Moto Craze. Today we're diving into the brand new 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250, a bike that's generating serious buzz in the entry-level cruiser segment. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for something lightweight with attitude, the Bolt 250 might be what you've been waiting for. So let's rev it up and see what this baby is all about. Right off the bat, the 2025 Bolt 250 grabs attention with its classic bobber-inspired design. Yamaha has kept the minimalist charm of the Bolt series intact, but added a bit more muscle and modern flair. It rocks a low-slung stance, fat tires, and a chopped rear fender that gives it that unmistakable cruiser silhouette. The tank has a subtle teardrop shape, finished in new matte color options like storm gray, midnight black, and copper blaze. The retro round LED headlamp, bar-end mirrors, and blacked-out engine parts bring a premium, custom shop vibe straight from the factory. Now under the hood, or should I say under the tank, it's powered by a 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine. This engine has been refined for 2025 to deliver smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. It produces around 22 horsepower and 19 newton meters of torque. Not exactly a speed demon, but it's got enough grunt to make city rides and weekend cruises fun and confident. The V-twin note is surprisingly throaty for a 250 cubic centimeters, giving you that satisfying rumble without being obnoxious. Yamaha has equipped the Bolt 250 with a 5-speed gearbox that shifts smoothly, and the clutch pull is light, perfect for beginners and everyday riders. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks up front and dual shocks in the rear, tuned for a comfortable ride even on uneven roads. It's not built for aggressive cornering, but handles nicely for a cruiser of its size. As for features, Yamaha keeps it simple but functional. You get a fully digital instrument cluster with a speedometer, odometer, fuel gauge, gear indicator, and trip meters, all clearly visible in daylight. There's also ABS on both front and rear disc brakes, which is a big plus for safety. While there's no smartphone connectivity or fancy tech, the essentials are well covered. And that's the vibe Yamaha is going for. Classic, clean, and rider-focused. The Bolt 250 tops out at around 120 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for city commutes and relaxed highway cruising. It's not meant to burn the track, but it'll get you where you need to go with style. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, averaging around 35 to 40 kilometers per liter, depending on how hard you ride. Now let's talk pricing. In most markets, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is expected to be priced between $4,000 to $4,500 US, or roughly around 3.5 Indian rupees lakh in India. That's a pretty sweet spot for a V-twin cruiser with solid build quality and that authentic feel. It's one of the few bikes in its segment offering that true cruiser DNA without jumping into a much higher price bracket. So what's the verdict? The Yamaha Bolt 250 is a great entry-level cruiser with real personality. It's not overloaded with tech, but nails the basics, stylish, comfortable, and dependable. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly cruiser with old-school vibes and Yamaha's legendary reliability, the 2025 Bolt 250 definitely deserves a test ride. That's it for today, folks. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride the Bolt 250? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more two-wheeled reviews right here on Moto Craze. Ride safe and stay wild.